Hello everyone, welcome back to ECU Team channel, and today we are going out on a trip to the customer. He got a problem with his Genesis, and today hopefully we will start his Genesis. This is a pretty common problem on Genesis. The ECU is burned, and because of that the car doesn't want to start. So we have our ECU, so we want to put that into the car. We'll replace it. We want to see if that will work. Now keep in mind that if you will buy a used ECU from another Genesis, it's not going to work, because Genesis got a special type of security system that just doesn't allow this type of procedure to happen. So it's time to connect the ECU. Gotta make sure that none of the fuses are not blown, because if you put in a new ECM on a fuse that's already blown, it will blow out the new ECM. Well, we got the ECU already connected. This is our replacement module. Okay, so let's start that again. 1, 2, 3.
And the battery should charge because it's a brand new battery.
Brand new battery, but they
So
got
if I have to replace it, I will. I'll take it. Yeah, hi, this is the original ECU for my 2012 Hyundai Genesis 5.0. It got burnt out, and these gentlemen replaced it with a new one, refurbished. And my car is running fine now.